The Trump administration demanding the deportation of yet another university student involved in pro-Palestinian protests.
Back in March, you noted that you had revoked some 300 student visas using the 1952 Immigration and Nationality Act.
Following an executive order signed by President Trump, Secretary of State Marco Rubio invoked a McCarthy-era law to arrest and deport legal non-citizens for their speech. Hundreds of foreign-born students have since been arrested and had their legal statuses revoked for pro-Palestinian speech that Rubio calls a threat to U.S. foreign policy.
How many visas have you revoked?
I don't know the latest count, but we probably have more to do.
Can you give us an estimate?
Probably in the thousands.
What's promised them is life, liberty, and due process, not the civil rights in general.
You acknowledge the Supreme Court disagrees with you.
In August 2025, Fire filed a lawsuit against Secretary Rubio, citing 5 other critical words in the First Amendment. Congress shall make no law.
There's a statute that says the Secretary of State gets to determine whether someone is a threat. We deny visas every day all over the world.
Do you think that the Immigration and Nationality Act trumps the Constitution of the United States, Mr. Secretary?
Today, we're talking with 3 thought leaders of the American free speech movement to explore why the First Amendment protects the free speech of non-citizens.
That's just un-American.
But you're also a green card holder. You're not a U.S. citizen. That's something you're willing to fight for.
Yeah, of course.
These are the exact same things you heard during the McCarthy era, where people didn't want to join certain associations, where they didn't want to speak out. It was the silent generation.
And we are stuck here. The impetus for it is this idea that you, someone from overseas, is coming here, as you were saying, and you're creating a problem for us.
I think that's where that idea comes from. And I want to steelman it because I believe in free speech, and I think that there's a good argument against it.
This is 1AX, Immigration.